If you're facing charging issues with your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just check the charger of your Galaxy Tab A9 and make sure that it is working and it is not damaged. Now just try to use another charger with your tablet and check if the issue is with your charger or not. And also make sure you use Samsung's original charger with your tablet, because if you use a charger which is not supported by Samsung, this could harm your tablet. Now, if the issue is not with your charger, then just check the charging port of your tablet and just check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Now, if the charging port is blocked by any dust or debris, just clean the charging port using a soft brush and make sure you use a soft and a dry brush. Now, after you do that, then just go to settings. Under settings, just tap on the battery settings. And over here, if battery protection is enabled, just turn it off, because sometimes this setting can interfere with the charging of your tablet. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just press and hold the power button on your tablet and open the power menu. Now, if the power button is not working on your tablet, you can open the control center, and in the control center, just tap on the power icon and open the power menu. Now from here, just press and hold on the power icon and tap on safe mode. Now after you enter safe mode, now just try to charge your tablet using your charger. Now if your tablet starts charging in safe mode, this means that an app which you have installed on your tablet is causing this issue. Now just go to settings, and under settings just tap on apps. Now from here, just look for any app which you have installed recently or look for any suspicious app. Now from here, just select uninstall and delete the app from your tablet. And after you do that, then just go back to settings, and under settings just tap on general management. Now this time just tap on reset, and from here just select reset all settings. Tap on reset all settings, then enter your lock screen pin and tap on continue. Now from here just tap on reset, and after you do that, you will reset all the settings of your tablet. Now this option will not delete any data of your tablet. It will just reset all the settings of your tablet in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and restart your tablet. Now just open the control center and tap on the power icon, then select restart. And after you do that, you will fix any charging issue with your tablet. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the charging issue with the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.